What's up, everybody? Today, I'm going to show you how to slash your heating bill and keep more money in your pocket. Winter heating costs are brutal, but we're about to change that. I've researched and tested the smartest, easiest hacks to save you serious cash. No complicated upgrades, just simple steps anyone can do. We'll tackle 10 challenges, each one a step closer to a lower bill and a warmer home. This isn't just a video, it's your financial rescue mission. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a toolkit of tricks to make your furnace work smarter and your wallet heavier. Ready to save big? Let's dive in. Challenge 1. Install a programmable thermostat. This little device is your new best friend for saving money. Why heat your house when you're not home or while you're asleep? With a programmable thermostat, you set a schedule. Warm when you need it, cooler when you don't. It's easy. Wake up to a warm house, let it cool down while you're out, and come home to comfort. You can cut your heating bill by 10% or more, hundreds of dollars a year. Installation is simple. I did it myself in under 20 minutes. Just follow the instructions, match the wires, and you're set. No more fiddling with the dial or forgetting to turn it down. This is a set-it-and-forget-it solution that pays for itself fast. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Less stress, more fun. So, your first challenge, get a programmable thermostat and start saving today. They're at every hardware store, and you don't need to be an electrician. It's one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Don't let your money float away, take control. This is the cheat code for your heating bill. Ready for the next challenge? Let's keep the savings rolling. On to the next hack. Challenge 2. Seal every draft in your house. Drafts are like leaving your wallet open to the wind. Money just flies out. For about $20, I grabbed weather stripping and caulk. Walk around your windows and doors on a cold day. Feel for chilly air sneaking in. Found a draft. Stick weather stripping in the door frame or run a bead of caulk around window edges. Every gap you seal is money saved. Don't forget outlets on exterior walls. Foam gaskets cost pennies and block leaks. Think of it as plugging leaks in a boat, except the boat is your house, and it's leaking cash. In just an hour, you can make your home more comfortable and efficient. This is one of the highest return fixes you can do. For the price of a couple coffees, you'll save a fortune over the winter. Don't let heat escape. Seal it in and keep your money where it belongs. Quick, cheap, and effective. Take the draft hunt challenge and see how much you can save. Let's move on to the next money-saving move. Ready? Let's go. Challenge 3. Use your windows to your advantage with thermal curtains. During the day, open curtains wide and let the sun heat your home for free. At night, close heavy insulated curtains to trap that warmth inside. Regular curtains do almost nothing, but thermal curtains act like a blanket for your windows. They create a barrier that keeps heat from escaping, reducing heat loss by up to 25%. It's a simple one-time purchase that pays you back every night. Style isn't sacrificed. Thermal curtains come in all designs. Open for sun, close for night. That's it. You'll notice a cozier room and a lower bill. Dress your windows for winter, just like you'd put on a coat. This hack is easy, effective, and looks great. Try it and feel the difference. Ready for the next challenge? Let's keep saving. On to the next one. Let's do it. Challenge 4. Close the doors to rooms you're not using. Why heat empty spaces? Shut the door, close the vent, and focus warmth where you actually live. Your furnace works less, and you save more. Don't overdo it. Keep most vents open to avoid pressure issues. Even closing off a guest room or storage area can cut your heating area by 10–15%. It's like getting a discount on your house size for the winter. Walk through your home, find unused rooms, and close them off. It costs nothing and takes seconds. The savings are instant and real. Work smarter, not harder. Try this tonight and watch your bill drop. Next challenge coming up. Challenge 5. Layer up instead of turning up the heat. Put on a sweater, thick socks, and get cozy. Every degree you lower your thermostat can save up to 3% on your bill. I spent a week in a sweater and kept the house cooler. No problem. Your body is a personal furnace. Just trap the heat with layers. 68 degrees feels fine if you're dressed for it. Change your mindset. Comfort doesn't mean cranking the heat. This hack costs nothing and saves a ton. Before you touch the thermostat, add a layer. Get comfortable, save money, and enjoy winter. Ready for the next tip? Let's keep going. Onward. Challenge 6. Reverse your ceiling fan for winter. Most fans have a switch. Flip it so the blades spin clockwise. This gently pushes warm air down from the ceiling, making your room feel warmer. Run it on the lowest speed, no breeze, just better heat circulation. You'll feel several degrees warmer without touching the thermostat. It costs pennies to run but saves big on heating. Check every fan in your house and flip that switch. Turn your summer fan into a winter heating machine. Simple, fast, and effective. Try it today and feel the difference. Next challenge up. Challenge 7. Check and upgrade your attic insulation. Heat rises, and if your attic isn't insulated, you're heating the sky. Look for a thick, even layer of insulation. If you see joists, you need more. Add rolls or bats of insulation yourself, or hire a pro. Wear gloves and a mask if you DIY. The payoff is huge. Up to 15% savings on heating and cooling. It's a weekend project that pays for years. Don't let your money escape through the roof. Insulate and keep the heat where it belongs. This is a long-term fix with massive returns. Next up, saving money while you sleep. Challenge 8. Lower your thermostat at night. You're under blankets. Your house doesn't need to be tropical. Drop the temp by 8-10 degrees while you sleep. Use a programmable thermostat to automate it, or just make it a nightly habit. You'll save up to 10% a year on heating. Cooler nights can even help you sleep better. It takes seconds, and the savings add up fast. For a third of the day, you're cutting costs dramatically. Grab an extra blanket if you need to. Try it tonight, and wake up to a happier wallet. Easy, effective, and effortless. Ready for the next hack? Let's keep going. Challenge 9. Use a space heater for zone heating. Keep your main thermostat low, just enough to protect the pipes. Use a small, efficient space heater to warm only the room you're in. Modern heaters are safe and cheap to run for one room. Close the door, create a cozy bubble, and save big. Don't try to heat the whole house, heat the person, not the property. This is perfect for home offices or movie nights. The combo of low central heat and targeted warmth is a game changer. Your furnace barely runs, and your bill drops. Be strategic. Put heat where you need it, when you need it. Try this for instant savings. Final challenge coming up. Final challenge. Get your heating system professionally serviced. A tune-up keeps your furnace running efficiently and safely. Think of it like a car. Regular maintenance saves money and prevents breakdowns. A pro will clean, inspect, and optimize your system. This can boost efficiency by 5 to 10% and catch problems before they get expensive. The service might cost $100, but it can save you hundreds in one winter. Plus, you get peace of mind knowing your system is safe. Don't wait for a breakdown. Be proactive. Invest a little. Save a lot. That's how you finish strong. That's it. 10 powerful hacks to slash your heating bill. You've got the tools to fight back against high energy costs and take control of your home. Try these out, share your results in the comments, and let's see how much this community can save together. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more money-saving tips. Stay warm, save money, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Go be a money-saving genius.